Hey Leah, have you ever wondered why dogs seem to love humans so much?
Yeah, I have actually. Maybe it's because we take care of them and provide them with food and shelter?
That's definitely one reason, but I think it's more than that.
What do you mean?
Well, studies have shown that when dogs look at their owners, their brains release oxytocin, which is the same hormone that bonds mothers to their babies.
That's interesting. So it's like dogs see us as their family?
Yes, exactly. And it's not just their owners, dogs have been known to bond with all kinds of people, even strangers who show them kindness.
That's really sweet. But why do you think dogs evolved to have this kind of bond with humans?
Some scientists believe that dogs were domesticated because they were useful to early humans for hunting, guarding, and even providing warmth. So over time, dogs and humans developed a mutually beneficial relationship.
That makes sense. But I've also heard that dogs are just naturally social animals, so maybe they would form bonds with any species they spend a lot of time with?
That's true, dogs are very social creatures. But the fact that they specifically bond with humans is still pretty remarkable.
Yeah, it really is. And I think it's part of why dogs are so popular as pets. They're always so happy to see us and be around us.
Definitely. And I think it's also part of why dogs are so good at providing emotional support to people. They have an innate ability to sense our emotions and respond with affection.
That's so true. I've heard that some dogs are even trained to be therapy animals for people with mental health issues.
Yes, and there are also service dogs that are trained to help people with physical disabilities. It's amazing how much dogs can do for us.
It really is. And I think it's important that we remember to take care of them too. They give us so much love and companionship, we should give them the same in return.
Absolutely. And fortunately, there are a lot of resources out there to help us take good care of our furry friends. From food and toys to veterinary care, there are so many ways to make sure our dogs are happy and healthy.
That's so true. And it's not just about giving them the basics, like you said. Dogs are social animals, so we should also make sure they get plenty of exercise and socialization.
Exactly. And it's not just good for the dogs. Spending time with our pets has been shown to have all kinds of benefits for us humans too, like reducing stress and improving our mood.
That's another reason why dogs are such amazing companions. They bring us so much joy and happiness.
They really do. And I think that's why the bond between humans and dogs is so special. It's based on love and trust and mutual happiness.
I couldn't agree more. Dogs truly are man's best friend.
And woman's too. But yeah, they really are. I feel so lucky to have my dog in my life.
Me too. And I think it's great that we can appreciate their company and the unique bond we share with them. It's something that brings people from all walks of life together.
Yes, I completely agree. And it's amazing how dogs have become such a big part of our culture. There are dog shows, movies, and even entire social media accounts dedicated to our furry friends.
It's really wonderful to see how much people love and care for their dogs. And I think it's a testament to the incredible bond we share with them.
Absolutely. And it's important that we continue to treat them with the respect and care they deserve. For example, making sure they're properly trained and socialized can help prevent behavior problems and keep them safe.
That's very true. And we should also make sure to provide them with a healthy diet and plenty of exercise to keep them in good physical shape.
Yes, and regular veterinary checkups are important too. Dogs can't tell us when they're feeling sick or in pain, so it's up to us to make sure they get the medical care they need.
It's a big responsibility, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Dogs bring so much joy and love into our lives, and we have the opportunity to give that back to them by taking good care of them.
Exactly. And I think it's amazing that we have this opportunity to form such a special bond with another species. Dogs really are remarkable creatures.
They really are. And I'm grateful to have the chance to learn more about them and appreciate all the ways they enrich our lives.
Me too. It's been great chatting with you about this, League. I always enjoy learning more about dogs and our relationship with them.
Same here, Alex. It's always a pleasure to talk to someone who shares my love for these amazing animals.